Welcome to World Air Forces. Japan Air Self-Defense Force. Founded 1st July 1954. 745 plus aircraft. Combat aircraft. F-15J Eagle, origin United States, type air superiority, in service 155. F-35A Lightning II, origin United States, type multi-role, in service 17. Mitsubishi F2, origin Japan, type multi-role, in service 63. Airborne early warning and control aircraft. Boeing E-767, origin United States, type early warning and control, in service 4. E-2 Hawkeye, origin United States, type early warning and control, in service 17. Electronic warfare aircrafts. Kawasaki C1, origin Japan, type electronic warfare, in service 1. YS-11, origin Japan, type electronic warfare, in service 4. Tanker aircraft. Boeing KC-767, origin United States, type aerial refueling and transport, in service 4. Lockheed Martin KC-130, origin United States, type aerial refueling transport, in service 2. Transport aircraft. Boeing 777, origin United States, type VIP transport, in service 2. Hawker 800, origin United Kingdom, type search and rescue and transport, in service 27. Kawasaki C1, origin Japan, type transport, in service 15. Kawasaki C2, origin Japan, type heavy transport, in service 9. C-130 Hercules, origin United States, type transport, in service 2. Gulfstream IV, origin United States, type transport, in service 5. Cessna Citation Latitude, origin United States, type transport, in service 2. British Aerospace 125, origin United Kingdom, type transport, in service 2. YS-11, origin Japan, type transport, in service 2. Helicopters. CH-47 Chinook, origin United States, type transport, in service 17. Sikorsky UH-60, origin United States, type utility search and rescue, in service 50. Trainer aircraft. F-15D Eagle, origin United States, type conversation trainer, in service 45. Hawker 400, origin United States, type jet trainer, in service 13. Fuji T3, origin Japan, type light trainer, in service 49. Mitsubishi F2B, origin Japan, type conversation trainer, in service 26. Kawasaki T4, origin Japan, type jet trainer, in service 200.